Hi, everybody. It's Imalia, founder of STEM Brains and Beyond, and I'm here today with point 6 of 10 of mind-blowing facts about the STEM gap. Today, I want to talk a little bit about the Rosenthal effect and the stereotype threat. What is interesting is that these studies were done about 3 decades apart, but the results imply the same thing, which is that the classroom environment or the teacher matters in how the child performs academically. So in the Rosenthal study, what was discovered is that they gave a teacher a group of underperforming students, I guess the lowest of the low in the classroom, and told the teacher, hey, these kids are the smartest in the group, work with them and prep them for a certain test. Similar thing was done with the smart students. They were given to a teacher and told that the students were actually academically challenged. And when the children were tested after a period of time, it turned out that the kids who were underperforming and given to a teacher and told that they were high performing students, their results on the test reflected that. And the kids who were smart and given to a teacher and told that the students aren't as smart, the results on the test proved that. Mind you, when the children came in, they were classified as honor roll students and given the label underperforming and given the label of academic excellence. And the results showed that the environment and the teacher's attitude determined what the children did. So how does this imply for or affect the STEM gap? Well, we also know that there is an academic gap where underrepresented students usually underperform academically. So the question is it truly that the students are underperforming or the environment that they're being placed in is not supported? It's not supportive enough. And we understand that in underrepresented communities, because the taxes aren't high enough, the schools lack resources. In one of my previous videos, I shared that $4.6 billion goes towards STEM initiative. Why isn't some of that money being poured into underperforming, underrepresented communities to level the playing field and create a positive academic environment? Whether we accept it or like it or not, there is a long-term economic impact on the US GDP if our STEM workforce isn't strengthened. So there is a long-term benefit to being able to pour into STEM programs today. And that's my point for today. More resources needs to come from the government into the schools, not based on the taxes that are collected, but based on the economic advancement of the entire country. And I would be remiss if I didn't share that I'm launching my Kickstarter and I'm looking to have an increased number of followers to at least 1,000 before I launch. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.